Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mama Alade Jenna and today I have an unboxing, a haul for you all. Today, approximately 2 weeks ago, I was in Nice in the south of France in a very hot April. Now, I saw people there with jumpers on in 18 to 20 degree weather. Okay, that's hot for me. That's hot for this British darling right here. Okay. But it was such a fun trip. I really enjoyed it. It was love. It was lavish. It was luxury at its finest. So let's get into these goodies. I got 2 bags and 1 item of ready to wear. Now, as you guys saw from my previous video, the Jacquemus video, I actually went because I wanted to find, like, there was a specific bag I was looking for from my wish list, but I also wanted to see like what the Jacquemus pieces look like in real life. Now, I did try, see previous video for that, or see next video for that, because interesting. Jacquemus is very much skinny fashion and I am very not that. But we move. We definitely move. So yeah, so now I'm gonna start with Longchamp. So I have my Longchamp bag here. Yes, it survived the plane journey actually pretty well, in fact. Like, you should see the other boxes, the other bags. They do not look like this. They don't look as in pristine condition as this. But I was looking for a university bag because my backpack just wasn't cutting it. It was not serving the looks I needed it to serve. So we have entered the chat with a Longchamp bag. Now, I know that these bags are super versatile. They have a kind of elegant look to it. It's nylon. So I feel like I'll have an easy time like not getting it dirty, pretty much. But yeah, so I got this bag. This is the bigger version of the bag. So I'll just like unpack it. So it's about this big. It's very much like my Ralph Lauren bags, but I do very much like it. I like the navy. I like this color of leather. I think it matches my brown coat quite well, and it can fit a 13-inch laptop, which is the most important thing for me anyway. So yeah, so, and also this was 80 euros. Now in the UK I believe it's 100. I'm not quite sure. No, sorry, this was 100 euros. In the UK, I'm sure it's £100 or something like that. But I got it for about 88 euros. So I did save about like £12 on it. But also I got tax back on it, which was another like £8-ish. So overall, I saved like £20, which I think is quite good, all considering. But yeah, so that was that. Now, the next item is from Maje. Now, you've been here for a while, I love me some Maje, okay? Like, I cannot tell you, I was in the cab in Paris and I saw Maje like from the window and I literally screamed like, ah, Maje is here! Like, I'm that excited about Maje. I just think it's an elegant, bossy, like classy brand, very reminiscent of Chanel, just. And their new collection, the tweed that just come out, like, I saw it, I was like, hey, who, ha? Me, please. Yeah, me. I'd like to sign up. Where can I sign up? But yeah, and also I have something to mention at the end of this video, so make sure that you stay tuned into the end on ways that you can save money on luxury and even get yourself something a little bit nice. Now this box, you guys can't, oh, so now we have Maje. Now this bag, you can't really see it that well, but is in terrible condition since the plane ride and things home. So yeah, this is my item of ready to wear. Now I quite like Maje's ready to wear. I'm not the greatest fan of their bags and shoes and things like that, but their ready to wear is to die for. So I picked up this white shirt, and it has these pearl buttons that I think are just like the cutest little accessory ever. And they have them all over the shirt, including the cuffs. Now I'm a UK size 10 to 8 on top. Like if it's more stretchy, I'll tend to go for an 8, and if it's more fitted, I'll tend to go for a 10. And in Maje, I'm about a size 1. So they have size 0, size 1, and size 2, and size 3. So 0 is like an 8, 1 is a 10, 2 is a 12, I believe, and 3 is like a 14. I think they do go a bit more like higher in sizes, but I can't really be sure. But yeah, this is definitely a very like just cute, simple white shirt, but I do love it. I like the white shirt look. And I feel like this just gives a little bit of like a class and an edge with the little pearls. And this item was €195, but I think because of the exchange rate I paid about 175 £8, which I think is quite a good deal, because I'm sure if it was in the UK I would have paid more. But yeah, so this is a beautiful white shirt. Now for the big main mama event, we are looking at an item from my wish list. Say it, Laurent. So this bag is very much battered and beaten from the plane, but it is from my wish list, and I want you guys to put in the comments below if you can guess which item it is from my wish list. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open her up. So oh god, oh well, the string came off in the bag, but it comes in this box. Now before, in previous years, I'm pretty sure that Saint Laurent bags didn't come in boxes, or I can't remember if that's Saint Laurent or Givenchy or Balenciaga or one of those brands, but I'm really glad to have this thick black box with me today. So then it also comes in this dust bag. So this dust bag is, yeah, it's a black dust bag. And for the main event, we have her. So this is a Toy Lulu in the shade, I think it's dark beige, I believe, but I could be mistaken. So yeah, this was actually the perfect color that I was looking for. I was looking for something to match my brown coat, something I could wear as like an autumn bag. It does rain a lot in the UK around like spring-ish time and autumn time, so I was looking for something leather, but something small enough that I could just like tuck it behind my coat and not have to worry about it so much. Now the leather on this is so supple and nice, like you can see like the veins of just like the veins of the leather and the grain. I'm sorry, my nails are all the way chipped. But yeah, and it came in like pristine condition. When I got it from the boutique, I went to Galeries Lafayette in Nice to get it. I love like the little details with like the hardware and all of that good stuff. It does look like it can fit a decent amount. It also has this strap, which I'm not gonna lie is a bit thin and a bit flimsy, but you know, we live and let live. And it has like card holder slots in the front here, and then this back pocket right here. I like that they really were committed to the little details, even on the clasp. There's like the Saint Laurent logo. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Maybe I should stop moving it, that might help. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. The Saint Laurent logo on the little clasp here. And they have those on both sides of the clasp as well. This bag is a bag I've been looking at for a very long time, and I'm so happy that I finally got it and I can add it to my collection. So now we're at 4 for 4, 4 brands and 4 different bags, I guess. And they all tend to be black and brown. So we might need to add some colour this year. But I am very happy to have my beautiful Saint Laurent toilet. I probably should remove the plastic off this. But I'm afraid of scratches, that's why. I have not taken her out for a spin yet, but I am planning to do so very soon. I have a couple of trips coming up which I think that she will be a perfect fit for. And if you have, I think I'm going to start naming my bags, so if you have a name for her or a suggestion. So I purchased my Saint Laurent bag and the Longchamp bag from Galeria Lafayette. Now they have this program similar to Harrods Rewards where if you sign up you can collect points. So just between this purchase and the other purchase, I collected about, I think I collected about 150 euros worth of points that I can now use on my later purchase. So if you want to be smart with luxury, you want to save your coin, you want to save your money, make sure to research all of these like little like schemes and stuff that they have in these point systems, because you could get money off next time. And this bag was, I believe, £1,380 in the UK. I did not pay that. I paid, I think, 1,700 or 600 or something. I remember saving around £60. I think I paid £1,325 for this item, and then I also got around £155 for the both items off via tax back as well. So, you know, who says you can't be smart with luxury? So that's the end of this video, darlings. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys, darlings, in my next one. Bye.